Welcome back to Low and Filthy. Today we got the 350Z in for surgery. Since Alex decided to diss us last video, we decided to ball out on some BC extreme low coilovers.
Crazy how I got coilovers before Joey, but hey, I ain't gonna say nothing.
So we got some BCs. I've run for like about 12. So, you know, we got some BCs instead of some Rev 9s, you know, for a car that don't even run. So, shouldn't be a bad installation.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And shouldn't take us too long, hopefully. Yeah.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Yeah, so it should be another 10-minute install like always, you know. Shouldn't be too bad.
Facts or cap?
Throw a cat.
So, this is how high we are right now on stock. So, we are shit's pretty ugly, I ain't gonna lie. You know, but hopefully we're hoping to drop it a little bit more than like over 2 inches. So, hopefully we don't need a
frame.
Yeah, we'll be on the fucking
frame like
floor.
everybody else.
Are we gonna use Alex for the 2 inches?
Yeah.
Well,
He's gonna pull it out, and we're just gonna measure the 2 inches right there. So, you know, good accurate measurement.
It's gonna be a big drop.
So, quick update. We managed to get the first stock one off. The pain in the ass. We had to take off the extra bolt off the control arm, and next thing you know, we tried taking the other one off. Alex stripped the fucking bolt again, like he stripped the one on his G. So,
yeah, that was
luckily he made up for it. Had an extra bolt in the car. So right now he's gonna cut the bolt off because we can't take this shit off. So that's what's gonna happen.
Grinded off the bolt. Wasn't as easy as my dad did it, but now we're 3 bolts away from dropping this side. Shouldn't fall off, right? Ah, damn, you got. Where's the extendo? Oh shit. Bear with me. There you go. Boom! This side's done. And then I already took out the end link. Oh wait, never mind. I'm not done.
Are you didn't take the brake line off?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
It was a 12 mil too, right?
You did 12 or 14?
I'm good. Yeah. So turn the wheel a little bit. Bro, I was about to say, damn, no, that one doesn't want to come on. That one. This brake line's off. Alright, Joe, you want to jump on the brake? Yeah. On the wheel?
Put your balls on his fucking back of the neck.
You good?
Good?
Yeah. Alright, take out the bolt.
Oh shit. I was like, why is this shit not out yet? Damn, I kind of put this bitch on tight. Oh, there it goes.
Ooh, love me some tight.
What the fuck?
The gun right there, bud.
Huh?
The gun has
The 12 on there.
Oh, I got it with my hand. I don't got it with my hand.
Professional. Hire him.
Hire me.
I'm gonna be a bad bitch. No weirdos.
Yeah. No niggas.
So you got it out? Oh, there it is.
And this is crispy.
sheesh. Starting out hard. Alright, we're putting the coilover in now. What was that, about an inch? Inch left on the coil. Now let's put these nice little babies in there. Alright, put one in. Or actually put all 3.
Oh shit.
Oh, hey.
My fault.
This one's in.
This shit feels smooth. Damn, I almost whacked myself. Oh, we're loading the car. We finished the front, so we're gonna see how it looks. It's currently 10:50. We finished with the front. We don't know what time we started with. Drop it. Should we attempt to see if it gets out?
You could try, but I doubt it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just put the coilovers in. We got the jack stuck, but the little jack I got that they talk shit about slides in and out of my car just perfectly fine. So.
It also works.
Alright.
Let's get to the rear.
Yeah.
We're
Hey,
hungry.
first of all,
This is
who
low
figured
shit.
it out?
Huh?
Not you.
Me, motherfucker.
This shit low as fuck. Look at this shit.
Hey, wait, hold on.
Look at the bash bar, bro.
My
That
side
shit-
skirt's gone.
That match parts it.
The bash bar. That shit's hard, bro. You see sparks flying. Now, Jack,
Hey, wait, hold on.
Jack at the back. Bitch ass nigga.
No, hold on. We still need to secure the front. We still need to secure the front because once we raise the rear, it's gonna start moving.
You can see me like.
We started at 9. It's currently 12. The car is not done. So the bushings that connect the coilover on the rear knuckle are shot. They broke. The tabs broke. Now we don't have the equipment and we don't have the replacement parts because it's 12 o'clock to fix it. So it's gonna have to be a 2-part video. So tomorrow we're gonna try to come around like whenever he gets off work for. So we're gonna come around that time. Potentially try to fix it. Hopefully we fix it. Actually, we are going to fix it. There you go. But we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah, see y'all tomorrow.
Peace.
Alright, it's day 2 of trying to install the coils on the 350Z. Last time we ran into the problem with the bushing. We ended up getting the bushing out, but with Alex cutting it with the grinder, but he broke the grinder. So now he broke the blade, so now we're down a blade. This shit's fucking still a mess. We ended up getting a new bushing, but now the bushing won't fit because there's leftover shit inside the knuckle. So about to go to Walmart, try to see what we can find so we can get this shit done. So yeah, we'll update you guys pretty soon.
To Walmart. So we finally got out the thing. This and heat work. So what we did is we cut it in half to relieve the stress since this is stuck in there. And then while we were cutting the second one, it was like enough stress for like relieved or whatever. It just somehow this ended up just pulling it out. Now we'll be able to get the new bushing in. All right, so we got the bushing halfway in. We figured it out. Just smacked myself. Let's finish this. Bro, I'm already so excited. This is not even my car. But I've been here already fucking 3 days in a row. Ooh, last couple hits. One hit. We're in. No, it died. Alright, let's see how much juice the other one has. We got the other bushing out. We literally held the torch on the bushing to melt it off for, like, not even exaggerating, like 10 minutes. And then we just wiggled it out and it finally ripped out. So we'll do the same thing we did on the other side. Saw like a relief stress on the sleeve of the bushing. It should pop out and then just pop in the new one with the socket. Coilovers go on. And then we're done for the night. It's day 4 of working on these coilovers. Today should be the easiest. Is literally just put the 2 bolts in, drop the Z, and we're going. Well, let's give a recap.
All right, basically, Saturday, get off work, Amazon, come to my house, open up the BCs, find out the BZs don't even come with camber plates for the 350Z. I already vibe killed. Struggled with the fronts a little bit. We got the fronts done. Then we hit the rear, and that's when we found out the bushing was broken. The bolt was rusted inside. Tried. I think that day we got the driver's side bushing out, but we couldn't get the metal out.
Sleeve?
Yeah, the sleeve out. So called it a day. Day 2, we came back, tried to get the sleeve out. Nothing even worked that we tried. So day 2 was an L all around. Nothing even happened. Day 3, we had Eric. Eric brought his torch. Shout out to Alex's dad for letting us hold his tools. We had a saw as well. Basically, we just heated up the sleeve, hella hot, hit it with the saw inside, slid right out. The second one was a little bit more tricky. Even though we heated it up and sawed it, it still wasn't coming out. We even sawed it from the bottom to top, but we ended up heating up more and just getting a socket and hitting it with a hammer, and it slid out. Then we ended up getting the new bushings in, rear coilovers are installed. Now we just need to put the bolts in.
And we're gonna have a slam Z.
Slam.
A filthy one. We got the bolts in, wheels tight. Time to lift this bad boy up.
Man, you made by the slam.
Alright, take up the.
Okay. That looks good, bro.
Damn, bro, this just looks low.
That shit looks good as fuck. Sheesh. That's, yeah.
You're good.
You're good, yeah, bro. I don't think you'll rub with these wheels.
Yeah, what's the spaces you're gonna rub?
Do you use spacers or we get bigger wheels?
Finish try. Alright, so this ends the 10-minute install on the coilovers. Easiest coilover install I've ever done in my life.
Stop the cap.
10 out of 10, I recommend. But it's pretty simple. Stay tuned for next week. We're gonna finish the G for drift prep, which should be April 8th. And that's it. Easiest coilover install in my life.